This tutorial video will demonstrate how to nest an abutment crown bridge in hyperDENT powered by Roland DGA. First, we'll drag our part to the center of the screen. In the prepare step, we can check that all of our markings came in correctly, that our pink abutment base curves are there, that the green emergence profiles are there, and that our blue screw channel markings are there. In this case, we're good, so we'll continue to blank. We'll select our machine. Create a new blank. Give our blank a name. Verify our scale factor. Next, we select our fixture. Now we can double click the part. And if our mouse is out in the border area, we can left click and rotate. And we can left click and drag the part, get it oriented with our open area on the clamp. Next, we can add a center frame. Just by clicking on the part. Then we can add our connectors by left clicking around the part perimeter. And click OK. Now we're going to add user-defined areas to get undercuts. In the user-defined window, we can click this button, which will visualize the undercuts so we can see them. And then we're going to start from a top view, and we'll do the anterior first. We're going to rotate, and we're going to watch the angles over here on the right near the view buttons. And we know on this machine the angle limits are 35 degrees, so we're going to stay about 5 degrees below that. So now I'm at about 30 degrees, and then I'll add a UDA by clicking 3 points, and then I can click on the line in other areas to change this lasso. And for the anterior, we'll do the anterior 6 and click accept. UDAs can be put on from the bottom as well, whichever gives you a better view of the undercuts. And that's been applied, so now I'm going to click my top view button, and then I'm going to rotate to the side, again going to close to 30 degrees for this mill. 3 clicks, adjust my lasso, click accept. And then I'll go back to a top view and rotate to the other side. And again, 3 clicks to create the initial lasso, and then I can click elsewhere on the line to adjust this perimeter. And if I want to allow the most access for the tool, then I can actually double click and move this back in the puck a little bit so that more of the border is not over the fixture. Next, I would select my template. So I'll click View Template. Because we have Implant Module Light, we're going to use the Abutment Crown Bridge Direct with Geo template that uses the replacement geometries. And now I'm ready to calculate. So I can start the calculation by clicking Calculate Toolpaths. On these kind of large parts where you have high angle UDAs that do cross the fixture and the border of the puck, you will get these warnings, which is fine. We just say yes to continue. And anywhere that a tool would potentially collide with the fixture, then HyperDent will shift that toolpath to avoid the collision.
Thank you again for joining us for this Tech Buzz Tip Tuesday. If you have suggestions for a future Tip Tuesday, please email us at dental@rolanddga.com.